When it's time to replace your roof in Kyle, Texas, you want something that can handle Texas weather and still look great on your home. I'm here with Willi Roofing, and after years of working with local homeowners, we know there's no one perfect roof for everyone. But there are a few options that rise to the top. For many families in Hays County, asphalt shingles are the go-to. They're budget-friendly, come in a wide range of colors, and can be installed quickly, so your home isn't a construction zone for long. If you're focused on long-term durability, metal roofing is another strong choice. It stands up to hail, high winds, and that hot Texas sun, often lasting decades with proper care. Some homeowners also look at premium options for added curb appeal and longevity. Each material has its own pros, cons, and price point, so it really comes down to your goals, budget, and how long you plan to stay in your home. At Willi Roofing, we walk you through each option, explain roof installation costs, and help you choose what makes the most sense for your situation. Our crews use high-quality materials and proven installation practices, so you can feel confident your new roof is built to last. If you're ready to explore the best roof replacement options for your Kyle, Texas home, contact us to learn more. We're here to make the process clear, comfortable, and hassle-free.